Model of the Starbreeze Explorer. The shuttle has a cargo compartment like in a real spacecraft. It docks to the accelerator block. At the bottom, here's where we wind it up. The key is stored separately on the stand. Wind the shuttle several times, then switch it to start, and you can see how its mechanisms work. We will now show you how the shuttle works right out the stand. We will wind the shuttle several times. Install it on the stand. And we turn it on with the start lever. The model starts to work. Very beautiful model. Space theme. You can also install it vertically on the stand. There you go. And in this position, the model can also rotate. This is how the packaging looks. Inside, you will see details made of thick steel. We also have a tool, pliers, to make it easy to assemble. Instructions, rather detailed, translated to 12 languages. These are metal plates with details inside. It is really easy to remove the parts from the plate and start assembling. Also, there are gloves, a cloth to wipe the model, and a file inside.